Artificial grass right here, right now. So what we've done, we've got the eco drains in, they're in there, look, and then we've put 4 inches or 100 millimeters of a hardcore basin underneath, and then we've got about 2 inches or so, boys, of compacted stone dust on top of that, which we've screeded off with a screed rod, and that's perfectly flat to this. Now what this is on the side is this is a concrete haunching on the side, about 100 mil wide, about 100 mil thick. We concreted that yesterday, so we're now going to put our grass, our artificial grass, on here, and we're going to glue it to the sides, and then that won't go anywhere then. And then we've got on top there, we've got the weed membrane. That'll just stop any weeds coming up through the little holes you get in the bottom of the artificial grass. So we'll show you a little bit more on the next bit now. So see you then.
Right, we're here now. It's a nice, lovely day on a Tuesday. Show me the sky, Jess.
Look at that.
Look at it.
Suit my eyes, Brad.
I'm sweating already. 9 o'clock in the morning, I'm sweating already because it's so warm. Right.
That's because you've had like a massive £30 worth of breakfast, haven't you?
Well, I've had wheat bacon.
I can smell the bacon sweating out you, Brad.
I wish it was bacon. Right, we're using this stuff today. Never used it before. This is the adhesive we're going to be using. Is it adhesive?
No.
Wet fix stuff.
Wet fix stuff.
Wet fix.
It's a well, it is like an adhesive, isn't it?
Well,
yeah.
This is an adhesive. And
It's a glue.
Adhesive system.
Mm.
So we're going to be using this today to stick our artificial grass to to the concrete perimeter, isn't it? So
yeah,
we're going to be using this. We've never used it before, so we'll see what happens with it. I'm sure it'll work fine. So what you're getting now is you got this stuff so gloopy. It wasn't set, not until I put this in it. So you got this gloopy stuff, which is an absolute nightmare. Don't want to get that on yourself because you'll you won't get it off. And you got this stuff.
show me the bottom of that, Brad.
It's like a liquid.
So that's the hardener.
That's the hardener. It's all like liquid in there.
Yeah.
So what you do is you add them both together. Use a whisk, mix it up, clean the whisk off straight away so it don't all set on it. And then you apply it. I think you've got an hour to use it. So you've got an hour to use it. Yeah, and then it sets.
In this temperature, isn't it?
In this temperature, I think you can't go above. I think it's at 20 degrees. So you can't go above 20, which it isn't yet. It's only like 18.
Mm.
And then we've got a couple hours to use it. So yeah.
Let's whisk it.
Let's whisk it.
It's not to eat, mine, Brad.
No, I know. Well, it doesn't smell very appetizing anyway.
Appetising?
Appetizing.
Same horse, isn't it?
Yeah. Chuck all that in it.
No, that's your syrup, that is, Brad, going on top of your guacamole.
Oh, that actually does look like syrup.
You are tempted to eat it, aren't you?
Let's see when it's mixed up now.
What do you reckon, Frey? Do you reckon he's tempted to eat that?
It's alright. If that was white, I'd be in it. But it's greeny colour, so no. Right.
Oh.
Whoops.
Oh.
Hold the bucket still.
It's like a fairground ride that was, Brad? Ooh.
Oh. Too stiff.
Turn it down, Brad.
I'm trying to. I'm all the way down.
Right, we'll mix this up and we'll come back to you. Save boring you to death. Oh.
Ah, no!
So what do you reckon then, Brad? You're on YouTube.
Oh,
Let's have a look at you.
Oh yeah, I got on my boots.
Have a look.
Right, I'm going to clean myself up now. Oh. Frey, go get me a rag from the van. I can't walk up again.
Oh God. What do you reckon, Frey?
You just said it was funny. And he's laughing his head off. Bloody hell.
Oh, my stomach. Oh, I tell you what though, Brad. Let's have a look at your little face, Brad.
The worst thing is if it sets. I gotta get off my boots now.
Oh God, my stomach. Oh, I tell you what, we got to get on with this now, right? But that's cost me a lot of money for Brad to fill his boots. Let me know what quick it sets, Brad. Right, I got to stop laughing. I got to get on with this. I'll see you in a minute. I've had to come back to this. I've been in there. I've tried to get on with it. I can't. I'm on the floor laughing my bloody head off. Look at what he just said to me. He just said to me, I think I need new socks. Oh, I'm going to have to get on with it. I'll see you in a minute. Oh, that's how not to do it. We're trying to show people on YouTube how to do stuff. It's real, and that is how not to do it. Look at his boots. Look at the state of that. Oh, God. So this is the stuff that Brad kindly mixed up for me, that you've just seen. Sorry about that. It's you've calmed down a little bit now. So we're putting this. I hope you enjoyed that, by the way, because as you could see, me and Fraser did. Well, I did especially anyway. Always good to laugh at other people's expense, isn't it? It's just glad it wasn't me. Anyway, so we've put this stuff in now. Put it on all the way around the perimeter. Put these bricks on to weigh it down. So we put it on. We used a tile trowel and just one of these just to make a little pattern on it, and then you just simply. So this. On this side, like we've just, what I've done, rather than cutting it off, I've just kept it so you can flap it like a flap in the wind. So you just put that then straight down on top of it and give it a bit of a wiggle, and here we are, and that'll stick there now like super glue. So that's what it's for. It's not for feet, it's not for boots, it's for grass. See you in a minute. Right, so we've got the grass done now, so we put that wet fix on all the way around, applied it on, put all the bricks on now, weighed it all down, so that's that. So that's a how-to video, but as you can gather, we also do how not to, Brad, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
So what's the situation out here now after your little palaver?
Look at my fancy shoes now.
So where's your socks gone?
There.
Tell them what you've done about your socks.
Covered in like gunky green crap.
Yeah, we know that, we've seen that, but what's happening about your socks now?
Going in the bin.
Yeah, but furthermore, what's happening about some more socks?
Well, I have to go home and get some more socks.
Well, isn't your missus bringing them to you?
No, she won't.
She won't?
She got the baby and my little,
So you have asked your missus to bring you more socks?
Yeah, I've asked her to bring me more, but the two little ones are in the house and she said no. Come and get it.
So the moral of the story is when you're mixing, and that's what we got left over there, look. When you're mixing that stuff, maybe lesson learned, it's the first time of us doing it, don't let Brad mix it again, that's the first one.
Yeah.
Secondly, maybe use a smaller whisk on like a normal drill with a smaller whisk, because that was a bit too heavy duty. And what's the main lesson, Brad?
Don't get yourself covered in it. Don't
get yourself covered in it, and put your feet really tight to the bucket so it doesn't spin.
Yeah.
Anyway, I hope we've taught you how to, and I hope we've taught you how not to, and I hope you've had a laugh and a joke at mine and Brad's expense.
No, at my expense.
Okay.
It doesn't matter to you, does it?
At your expense. It's my business, it's my company. I'm portraying my company on YouTube and trying to, you know, show people what we do and how good we do it, and then you just go make a right cock up of it and make us look like a bunch of arses all over the internet, Brad. So anyway, we've had a good start to the day, so we're all happy. It's all gone well. No harm done, apart from Brad's socks.
The boots are big drying now.
And you got. So would you call these Kermit the Frog's boots now, Brad?
I don't know what to call them now.
Or would you call them the Incredible Hulk's boots, Brad? Or you could, for those old enough, remember, you could call them grot bags. For the ones my age who would remember grot bags.
I don't know what a grot bag is.
Anyway, have a good day. Got to keep smiling. Got to keep having a laugh and a joke. And that's exactly what we do. And we've just showed you. So absolutely brilliant. Hope you enjoy it. See you on the next one. Cheers. Say ta-ra, Brad.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe. Any comments, leave them below. And I'm sure we're going to get some comments about Brad. And see you soon.